Growing horseradish in a container is a great option if you have limited space or want to control its invasive tendencies, as horseradish can be quite aggressive when planted directly in the ground. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow horseradish in a container. 1. Choose a container. Select a large container that is at least 18 inches, 45 centimeters, deep and 18 inches, 45 centimeters, wide. Horseradish develops along taproot, so a deep container is essential. 2. Soil preparation. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mixture of potting soil and compost works well. Ensure the container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogged soil, as horseradish does not tolerate soggy conditions. 3. Select a location. Place the container in a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Horseradish prefers at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. 4. Planting horseradish. Purchase horseradish root cuttings from a nursery or garden center. These are usually available in early spring. Plant the horseradish roots about 1 to 2 inches deep in the container. Space them approximately 18 to 24 inches apart to allow room for growth. Cover the roots with soil, leaving just the top of the root exposed. 5. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Be mindful not to overwater, as excessive moisture can cause rot. 6. Fertilizing. Horseradish is a heavy feeder. Fertilize with a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring through early fall. 7. Mulch. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, around the plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. 8. Maintenance. Horseradish can be invasive, so it's important to keep it contained within the container. Regularly trim back any shoots that venture outside the container. Monitor for pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures to control them if necessary. 9. Harvesting. Horseradish can be harvested in the fall after the leaves have died back. Lift the entire plant by loosening the soil and gently pulling it out. Cut off the leaves and stems, leaving just the roots. Wash and peel the roots, then grate or chop them for culinary use. 10. Overwintering. In colder climates, you may want to move the container to a sheltered location or insulate it to protect the horseradish during the winter months. Horseradish can be a vigorous grower, so keeping it in a container will help prevent it from spreading too aggressively in your garden. With proper care, you can enjoy fresh horseradish root for culinary use throughout the year.